Welcome to the lab on the cloud evaluation of the Renesas RA6E1 Voice User Demonstration Kit. The Renesas RA6E1 Voice User Demonstration Kit is a purpose-built hardware platform optimized for evaluating and developing voice user interface solutions on the 32-bit RA microcontroller architecture. This platform provides seamless integration with multiple VUI partner stacks, enabling rapid prototyping, algorithm evaluation, and system-level validation for voice-enabled embedded applications. The setup uses the RA6E1 board, along with the Cyberon DSpotter offline engine, which detects keywords and voice commands. This helps in testing and developing voice recognition features. The setup also supports remote testing. A speaker is used to play the test voice commands. Click Plug-in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. The left side here comprises the input section, and the various outputs can be viewed here. The user manual explains how to use the DSpotter modeling tool in E2 Studio to build custom voice commands, integrate models, and deploy them properly. You can also find user manual for DSpotter and E2 Studio in this container. A board reset is given here to reset the board. Toggle the mic switch to enable the system's microphone input. Monitor serial data, speak a command, wait for processing, then give the next microphone input. The demo can be executed by speaking the specified voice command and observing the corresponding response in the serial monitor. This tile provides a live video feed of the setup. Use the DSpotter tool to create custom voice models and use E2 Studio to build the VUI application and program it onto the target device. By selecting the application icon, you can switch between the two application windows. Review the progress log for real-time updates on the evaluation flow. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the data sheets. Here is an example. The user manual and other additional information can be accessed from the hamburger icon here. You can also choose to evaluate other interesting live bench designs by clicking on the Home button here. Thank you and happy evaluation!